Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a stand in Please Donate. So first of all, you have to open the Roblox app or Roblox software on your PC and mobile and click on it. And now if you want to set up, you have to play this game. Click on the play button and the game will be open here. So now if you want to set up, you must have created some Roblox game passes. So if you have already created, guys, what you need to do, you can basically once you created a game passes, now you just need to go to any empty stand to set up your stand. So I'm gonna I'm gonna go this stand. So you can see that it is written here unclaimed. So you can claim this stand. You just need to hold the E button, or you just have to stand or tap this button, hold this stand button, and your game passes will be listed here. Fine. So if you have created items like shirt, t-shirts, or pants, your item will be listed here. And if you made game pass, then you can also list your game pass here. So if someone purchases your game pass, you will get Robux for that and 70 out of it. So you can see the list here. So the names, the people with the raised Robux, and you can see CSK is the topper, and he raised about 3,446 Robux in this game. So you can see, you can imagine that you can earn lots of Robux in this game. So hope you like it. Hope it is good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.